Morning, sir. My name is SVJ. I'm studying first year mechanical. My roll number is 234G18033. Today topic transpiration and rotation and kinetics and kinematics. Introduction of transpiration and rotation. Transpiration and rotations are fundamentally concepts in geometry that's involve motion object in space. Transpiration refers to moving an object without changing its shape or size. Rotation involves turning an object from around the fixed point. Translation. In translation, every point on the object moving the same distance and direction. This movement is directly by the vector that specified the directors under the magnetism of a translation. Translation can be horizontal vectors or dynamic. Properties of translation. Translation performs the distance between any two points on the object. The relation, the organization and shape of the object remaining unchanged after translation. Multiple translation can be combined, but adding their respectively vectors. Rotation. Rotation involves turning an object around the fixed point called the center of rotation. The angle of rotation determines how much the object is turned. Rotation can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Found on clockwise. Properties of rotation. Rotation prefers the distance between any two points on the object. The shape of the object remains the shape but would alternating change. Rotations can be combined by adding the angle of rotation. Applications of transpiration and rotation. Transpiration and rotations are in computer adding designing CAD from the meaningful 2D and 3D subjects. Robots use robots use transpiration and rotation to control the moving of robots, harness and end of effects. Video games developed users transpiration and rotation to create realistic animation and interaction. Introducing of the kinetics and kinematics. Kinetics and kinematics are two branches of classical mechanical that study of motions of the object. Kinetic focus on the force but the causing movements, which while kinematic describe the motion itself. Understanding the relationship between kinetics and kinematics is necessary is enable of the movement of object. Mechanics and dynamics and static kinetics. Equation of the movement of kinematics. The equation of a movement of kinematics, including equation from discipline, velocity, and acceleration. The most commonly required of the motion are derived from classifications and the using to derive the motion of the objects in variables. This equation from the base or from the solving problems relating to motion in the kinematics. Newton's law of motion. Newton's law of motions are fundamental principle in kinetics. The first law of motion, the first law that can objects that will rest will be remaining at the rest an object in a motion. Will remember that in which motion unless accepted upon by the equivalent force. The second law of reacting by force, acting on the object to its mass and acceleration, expressing F equal to ma. Applications of kinematics and kinetics. Kinematics and kinetics. Kinetics and kinematics are using in variable friction such as engineering, physics, biomechanicals, and sports science. They are using to engineering and designing system under the motion of the cooling bodies and improve exam performance. This principle played a role in developing technology and advantages our understanding of the physical world. Apply dynamic and the biochemicals, kinematics, displacing of motions which no returns to who that who causes distance, speed, angle, velocity, acceleration. Kinematics and forces of technical causes maintenance. According moving second law of motion, equation of motion, sum of forces of momentum, work and energy method, change of speed, impulse and momentum, impact and collision. Difference between kinematics and kinetics. Kinetic with force of causes motions, while kinetics may refer to the two motions itself. Kinetics involve studying grading between two objects of forces, while kinematics forces on the motion particles under the understanding between both the kinetics and kinematics prove the comparison with both in dynamic flow. Thank you, sir.